Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Mediterranean styled potato salad. A little bit different this one, it's just something I came up with on a whim, but let's get on with it. It is quite easy to do. It will take you a couple of days to do this one. So here I've got some leftover roast potato. I get a potato, I basically give it a bit of a wash, wrap that up in foil, and I put that into the oven for around about 1 hour. Just until it goes nice and tender. Now these ones are left over from another recipe, our corn chip crumb chicken tacos. God, that's a mouthful. And I'm simply just going to take them out of the foil, and they're nice and cold. We put those in the refrigerator, and all we have to simply do is reuse these. We're not going to waste them. And I'm simply just going to use a nice little knife and cut these up into some nice little chunks. So the first thing I do, I'll cut those into thirds. I cut that one into a half. This one I'm going to cut in half again. That one's still a little bit chunky, so I'm going to cut him in half lengthways like that as well, and then we can go straight down the guts like that. Very, very simple. And all we need to do now is make some nice little potato chunks. Now it is absolutely pouring with rain here at the moment while I'm narrating this, so I'm sorry if we get a bit of rain bleed through from the tin roof. Okay, but it's all part of the bit of life, isn't it? So we're just going to cut these up into nice little chunks like that. Very, very simple. And if you haven't done potato in the oven just with it wrapped in foil, or even corn done the same way, wow, you don't know what you're missing. Such a low mess, easy process of cooking. Alright, now here I've got a little bit of Greek dressing. I've dressed that, and I've added in some freshly cut chives. Sorry, our battery died, and when I mean died, it is gone, it is dead. So a bit of French dressing, right? And I've got some fresh chives I bought from the supermarket. Grow your own if you like. I usually do, not this year. And we're just going to cut those up nice and fine, put everything into the bowl and give that a quick dress. Here I've got some rocket leaves with a little bit of baby spinach, and they're really not really nice for a salad, especially what we're doing. So I've got a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to give those a chop. You could put those on a board and use a knife if you want, but hey, let's just do this real nice and easy and give them a quick rough chop like I'm doing right there. Now you can use as many or little leaves as you want. I'm actually doing enough for 2 salads, so give those a quick dress with a little bit more Greek dressing. We'll just keep that flavour going on and on. Very, very simple, and simply just get a couple of forks or a pair of tongs and give those a little bit of a dress. Now there's no need to add any salt or anything like that. There's enough flavour in that salad dressing as it is. Add our potato and chive mixture over the top, just like that. Really nice and simple. And if you haven't had a vinegar based potato salad before, you don't know what you're missing. It is so simple and so tasty. Alright, I've got some eggs which I've hard boiled, and if you don't know how to boil an egg, I'm pretty sure I've got it somewhere on this channel. Otherwise, if you can't find how to boil a 3.5 minute egg, well, you shouldn't be in the kitchen as far as I'm concerned. Okay, and I'm not trying to be malice there, I'm just having a bit of a go at a bit of fun. And cut those in half, and as you can see, they are perfectly boiled. Just got that beautiful thick yellow centre. Put those down just like that. Really nice and easy, and this is such a quick meal to put together, especially if you've done your potato the night before and you cook your eggs probably about an hour before you make your salad. It's going to put some Kalamata olives on top, seedless of course, and before you know it, you have got your own Mediterranean styled potato salad. I told you this was going to be easy and really quick, really basic, but I tell you what, the flavour is all worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom and cooking out there. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really quick and easy that you can serve up with a steak or whatever, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've put on Mediterranean style potato salad and some chicken schnitzel, and I will catch you next time. Bye.